Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know me. And today I created this Valentine's look. Honestly, came out really gorgeous. I love the look. And this time I didn't use the James Charles palette, so you'll be surprised about that. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe. And if you have any other videos in mind for Valentine's or any other looks or something, a vlog or I don't know, a challenge, let me know down below, because honestly I would like new ideas. And yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I created this gorgeous look, then just please keep on watching.
I finesse down Western Road, hey, next. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G, yeah, wait.
The palette I'm using is the Huda Beauty Warms Brown Obsession palette, and I'm going to be going in with this shade. It looks red in the palette, but it's pink. And my brush I'm using is the Morphe E23 brush, and I'm going to be applying this color all over my eyelid. This is going to be one of my transition shades, or one of my transition shades, because it's only one. And I'm going to be applying this all over my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with a blending brush, and I'm just going to be blending this out. The next shade I'm going to be using in the palette is this one right here. It's like a purplish color. I'm going to just focus this inside my crease with a smaller brush. So I'm going to just be focusing it on my crease, and I'm also going to be winging it out. As you guys could see, it's already kind of winged out, so I'm just going to be building that shade up, because I do want it to be very, very bold. So I'm going to try to build it up as much as I can. And then the next shade I'm using in the palette is the one at the top right there. This one is more like a plum color, so it's more darker than the one I just applied. So I'm going to be doing the same thing as I did to the other one. So I'm just going to be applying it in my crease and just winging it out as well. The concealer I'm going to be using is the Glamour Flock Concealer by Hard Candy in the shade Light. And I'm going to be carving out my crease, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease all the way out, because I am going to be doing a full cut crease. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my crease all the way out. To set the concealer in place, I'm going to be using this white shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be tapping it on there and setting the concealer in place just in case it transfer so it won't move. Then I'm going to be going in with the gold shade. It's that middle one right there. I thought it was going to be more pigmented, but I guess it wasn't. But I'm going to be applying this inside my crease where I just had cut the crease, and I'm just going to be applying it all over right there. I'm using today is this NYX white eyeliner, and I'm gonna be putting it on top of my crease line. So I'm gonna be just going over it with my white eyeliner so it just pops out a little bit. And you know, I had to add some lashes. This is the Ardell 252 lashes, and I'm just going to be applying these on. And you know, lashes always complete the look, you know, so you always need some lashes. I'm going to go in with this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. And I'm going to be doing my face off camera. I'm going to go in with this Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Lipstick, and I'll be applying this one because it kind of matches my look.
This is the end of the video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did another Valentine's look here for you guys. I think I'm gonna have another one or two more, so stay tuned for that for sure. And honestly, I really love how it came out. So if you guys recreated or anything, just follow me on my social medias and let me know. I would like to see how yours came out, or any Valentine's looks you guys have in mind and would like me to do. Let me know as well. And I got a new a new background because I feel like I needed a new one. I'm also going to be getting more background because I don't want to have like the same ones. So I'm working on that, and I'm also working on my lighting. So I'm soon gonna be getting some lightings, more like lights and stuff up in here, because I film at night. Like right now I'm filming at night, and honestly I need more light in here. During the day the videos are good because I open my windows, but right now I need a light, and I only have one, so my quality will be better soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next week.